Hello, this is Ulage Brunet from Petxina, and today I'm going to talk about the Garrí Sirà. The Garrí Sirà is a young wine, but it has a pair in our catalog, which is the Garrí Nouvelle, and the comparison and explanation of the project of Garrí is explained in another video that I have here in our YouTube channel, right? Now I'm going to focus into Garrí Sirà. Basically, what we want to explain is that Syrah is a variety which is not typical from our region, but it's very common and it's there for many decades, and many farmers know pretty well how to work with it. So what we wanted was to dignify this variety in a popular wine and make it the way that we know and we understand the Catalan wines, but using a Syrah. We produced this Syrah by making it partially as a red wine and partially as a rosé wine. Then we blend it, mainly, most parts of it is red wine, but with this part of rosé, we manage to give a little bit more of aromas and freshness, and maybe we make the wine to be a little bit lighter, right? Well, basically, it is produced in Conca de Barberà, which is an appellation in the interior of Catalonia. It is produced in Sarral, in the winery Rosa Maria Torres, and there we make this wine, which looks like this. This is the the color of the Garrí Sirà. It's a deep color. It's quite thick, as the variety can give, right? And then uh, it smells as black fruit, like blackberries, and also as a Mediterranean bushes. It also has some aromas to it, and also some spices, right? Well, basically, these are the typical aromas of the Syrah that can provide it to us, and we try to make them clean and very nice, and then we keep it into bottle enough time to make the tannins rounded and so that it is pleasant. We recommend to pair it with any coca de racapta or any rice or any grilled meat, barbecue, why not? Any stuff like that that has a taste, a nice taste. Um, it has to be savory, right? Well, I wish you like it. Please let me know if you have any doubts, if you want to have more information about it by email at info@vinspecina.com or by commenting in our YouTube channel. Meanwhile, just say salut